Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today here on crypto.com looking at Polygon MATIC. So the problem that I have here is my MATIC became unstaked and expired. So I need to restake. So you can see I've been making almost half a MATIC a week. You can see I was making 0.479. I would like to round that off and see if I can get half a MATIC. So for 250, let's see if we can up that slightly. So we have to go here to the centralized, the middle button. We go to earn. Go, all right, cool. You can see we have one batch of MATIC staked already, and we're going to stake another batch. Select MATIC, we go 3-month term, we get 10% interest. That is awesome. We might keep up with inflation this way. Well, we'll see. Hopefully the growth will be better than that in the short term and the long term, as MATIC is going to 10 bucks. Well, we'll see. All right, so this MATIC will be held for, as it says, 3 months, and available again April 25th. So I'm going to deposit 265 MATIC, and let's see what rate that's going to give us. It's going to give us a 10% interest rate, and you guys will have to subscribe to see how much interest that brings in every week. Okay, deposited. So now I have 2 stakes of MATIC, one for 250 and one for 265. And I'm hoping to get a third one in there somewhere. You can see first one expires in 44 days. The other expires in 90 days. Right now I have them on half intervals. And hopefully when I have a third one I can do it every month instead of every 45 days. And we'll see how that works out. Anyway guys, I'm very bullish on MATIC, obviously, Polygon. Very bullish on Bitcoin. It's been going up a little recently, but not massive. Gala is up almost 20%. Awesome. It's a good deal. So let's go take a look at one of our favorite cryptos we have here, crypto.com Crow. Now, last time I looked, it was around 40 cents. And we're still hanging right around there. So you can see in the last 8 hours, we're up 5%. Awesome. So, I think Crow is on its way back up, along with Bitcoin going to 200K, Ethereum to 10K. We'll see how that works out. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because I think we have some good news here. Over the last day, it has gone up 3%. Now, that's good, and you see the last 8 hours. Over the last week, it's still down. So, I think we've probably hit the bottom, and we're on the way back up. You can see this dip that we had right here. And ever since then, it's been going up. So that's a good sign. So, if we can bust through that 40K mark, and we can establish an uptrend in this longer term chart pattern, that would be good, because the last 3 months have been bad. Even the last 6 months, not awesome. We had a nice run here up to 60K, over 60K at a nice high, but we backed off. So that could be a sticking point here in the future. But from here, that would be a massive increase. So that'd be awesome if we could do that again. That would be another, 40%, 50% rise, and that would be a good deal. So be sure you guys subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.